Elsewhere in the Panhandles, Borger, light rain, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile. Temperature was 85 degrees. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a fire warning at the request of Amarillo for Potter County. At 4:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 6 miles east of Valley de Oro, or 18 miles northwest of Amarillo, moving rapidly east-northeast at 3 to 4 miles per hour. Areas impacted: Tierra Grande is threatened by this fire. Additional information: this fire is approaching Highway 287 between Masterson and Amarillo. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including a wind-driven and torching fire. The 4 p.m. area weather roundup.